This is my fast food lunch for today. I have chopped up fresh ginger, celery, and cucumber, and I've frozen it. So whenever I want to get a shake, I get all the nutrients from those veggies are frozen in there promptly instead of sitting there on the shelf. I tried with pineapple, but it didn't work. You can't, it's a frozen solid block. You can't get one out of there. So don't do that. I'm teaching you what not to do. And we're adding some yogurt, raw milk. Cinnamon is powerful to make your shake taste sweet. Today I did add some blueberries. And then from healthforapurposesupplements.com, I have this ECM collagen and colostrum. This collagen has all 6 kinds of collagen and provides all the essential amino acids. Very unique product. What are you having for lunch today? I would love to know.